Hello friends, today we are on number 1 to 20 with color names. So let's start. Red color. Number 1. Yellow color. 2. Orange color. 3. Sky blue color. 4. Light green color. 5. Red color. 6. Yellow color. 7. Orange color. 8. Sky blue color. 9. Light green color. 10. Red color. 11. Yellow color. 12. Orange color. 13. Sky blue color. 14. Light green color. 15. Red color. 16. Yellow color. 17. Orange color. 18. Sky blue color. 19. Light green color. 20. Let's learn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Orange color. A for apple. Yellow color. B for butterfly. Red color. C for cat. Light green color. D for dog. Sky blue color. E for egg. Orange color. F for fish. Yellow color. G for goat. Red color. H for horse. Light green color. I for island. Sky blue color. J for joker. Orange color. K for kite. Yellow color. L for lion. Red color. M for mango. light green color. In for nose. Sky blue color. O for orange. Orange color. P for pencil. Yellow color. Q for queen. Red color. R for rabbit. Light green color. S for sun. Sky blue color. T for train. Orange color. U for umbrella. Yellow color. F for fan. Red color. W for watermelon. Light green color. X for X-ray. Sky blue color. Y for yo-yo. Orange color. Z for zebra. Let's learn. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Black color, white color, pink color, red color, sky blue color, light green color, brown color, yellow color, dark green color, is pink color, blue color, purple color, orange color, gray color. Let's paint. Red color. A for alligator. Missing letter B. B for ball. Yellow color. C for cow. Missing letter D. D for duck. Brown color. E for earth. Missing letter F. F for fish. Dark green color. G for goat. Missing letter H. H for horse. Sky blue color. I for island. Missing letter J. J for jug. Red color. K for kangaroo. Missing letter L. L for lemon, yellow color. M for monkey, missing letter N for nose, brown color. O for orange, missing letter P for pencil, dark green color. Q for quiet, missing letter R for rabbit, sky blue color. S for sun, missing letter T for tiger, red color. U for umbrella, missing letter V for van, yellow color. W for watermelon, missing letter X for Xmas tree, brown color. Y for yo-yo, missing letter Z for zebra. Let's learn. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.